Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Definitely get involved in this competition from Bybit, the Wasot prize competition. It's an amazing trading competition. I do run it every single year. There's a total prize pool of 8 million USDT. Okay, let's get involved in this. Let's build up a community. Let's build a massive squad and let's smash this competition. Okay, the links are in each and every single video description. Please get involved. Let's dive into the video right now. Looking at XRP on a weekly time frame, at the moment I think we could be on the cusp of a major move once we get this correction out of the way. I'm looking at some targets up here. Okay, so I think that what we've got possibly, and there's no bias, there's no guarantees obviously, it's all about support going forward, and this is your bull market support for me going forward. But in time, as we create more impulsive waves to the upside, the bull market support moves up, and I'll keep you aware of what that is at the time. Okay, so you know, just here, this is your bull market support. This is a low that we're putting in January. So from this low here, what we've done, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we've got some kind of flat wave 4 just there, and that's the final fifth wave. We've got some kind of leaning diagonal, which is exactly what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leaning diagonal, ABC correction, back down into the EMAs, a little bit deeper than anticipated, and a major breakout. Okay, so what we're looking at for XRP right now is the fact that this is impulsive off the bottom. We're looking for a correction coming back down, and we're looking for another drive up. Okay, so providing XRP can hold this support in this correction that we're going through, then I think that we're looking at retracement. Take out the 1 fib. I think we're looking at these minimal targets going forward for XRP. Okay, so my minimal target of the next wave up, providing we take out the 1 fib that we put in way back there in April of 2021, I'm looking at $6.23 for XRP at a minimal. But this actually would be a wave 3. So my expectation of a wave 3, without getting too bullish, you know, this is obviously it's a bit of hopium right there, but I always like to see, you know, my expectation of a wave 3 is always a 2.272. So it's a target. Will it get met? I don't know, but I'm looking at the 1618 at bare minimal. But I do think if we get really overbought, or we've got some really kind of good news or whatever it is around the corner, potential of XRP or Bitcoin or whatever, then I think we could run as hard as the 2.272, because that's always my wave 3 target basically. So the 2.272 sits at $21 at the moment, and we potentially see the wick towards that larger target at $27 that I've had for a very long time as well, off the macro 1618 right there, for those that are familiar with the channel. So you know, everything so far is looking good, but there's no guarantees, and the minute we lose support for this particular theory and this sort of forecast, then I will alert you obviously. But so far so good. I think that what we've done from 2020, if we take a look at it, is your low, is your higher low, and what we've done, we've come up an impulsive move, corrective move, and right now we're looking to break this high. Okay, and it really is that simple. So this has been a corrective phase of a larger bull market. Like what I said to you, it's not necessarily a traditional 97% drawdown bear market. It absolutely still could be, absolutely. If we fail to take out the 1 fib, this could be an A, this could be a B, and then you've got some kind of big C wave or whatever like that, and we come down and sweep like that. That's an absolute possibility. And the minute XRP loses the structure of this bull market and this uptrend, which is currently the 0 fib, then I will alert you. Okay, and obviously if we start to break down here and lose this center level support, like I've said to you so many times, then that's bearish. Okay, but it's not doing it at the moment. What we're looking for is a projection to the upside because of the waves that we're putting in right now. So just like this low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal, we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. So right now we're going for a correction like we did there, looking to hold support like we did there and break again. So if we do that, I think we're going to come up and take out the 1 fib, and it really is that simple. And what we've got is a massive wave 1, corrective wave 2, and a huge wave 3. So my expectation of a wave 3 is always minimal 1618, which is around about $6.23. But if we get really overbought, okay, there's some kind of real big FOMO in the markets or whatever, or some extremely positive news for crypto, whether or not it's the Bitcoin ETF or whatever, or just absolute clarity for XRP, then it could run to the 2.72, because that's always a minimal target as mine for the wave 3 basically. So this will be a 1, wave 2, and a monster wave 3 that eventually we meet our target at 2.272 at a minimal, which is at $21 right there. So that would be absolutely amazing. But remember, there's no guarantees. Okay, it's all about support and resistance going forward. But if we are actually in a bull market off this low, then as this creeps up and corrects and then goes again, the bull market support moves up for this continued impulsive move to the upside. So at the moment, the bull market support is the 0 fib at 2978, which is a low that we put in January, because I think we've been in some kind of truncation here for XRP. Okay, and I've gone through this with you multiple times. So there's a lot of confluence stacking up in other charts, not just XRP, that we could be on the cusp of a major move here for XRP, looking to break out. So what I'm looking for XRP to do primarily in the short term is get its ass above the 786 fib, which is this key high here at 130. If we can start start to see XRP take out 130, I think that we've got a major buy signal and a major go signal for XRP, that we are looking at a major breakout basically, and we're looking at the 2.272 at $21 as a possibility, but not an absolute. But I do think we will run to at least the 1618 at $6.23 for XRP, okay? And that could actually be the third wave, something like this. This is the one, ABC 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, and you've got your big wave 3 with subsets of waves within inside it that actually do get us to the 2.72. It's an absolute possibility, okay? But as this starts to come up, the bull market support for this will move up, okay? And the invalidation of this big move, which is potentially cooking for XRP, will actually start to move higher and higher basically in time. So I'll keep you updated as best I can, okay? But so far so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We traded all this like an absolute boss. At the moment we're retracing, looking for the continuation of this move, just like we did here from 2020. But one thing you've got to take into consideration here, what we've got is this low in 2020. We made this key low in 2023, 2 years later, and right now you've got this high. So what we're looking to do is make the higher low, then a higher high, and you've got beautiful uptrend structure and bull market structure since 2020. XRP has actually been in a massive bull market, hasn't it, like this? And this is not necessarily your traditional bear market in the sense you've got that massive 97% drawdown. It's merely just been a corrective phase of a bull market. I go away tomorrow to Florida for 3 weeks with the family, but I'll try and keep you updated as best I can. Please check out the Bitcoin video. There's lots of confluence to this particular move, not just in the Bitcoin chart, but around about 4 or 5 different charts as well, including the XRP chart. So take care everyone. I wish you the most luck. Take care everyone. Back soon with an update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.